How to go live on Starmaker Karaoke Singing App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how you can go live on the Starmaker app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the live button shown in the top left side of the screen. And once you see the interface like this, you can simply tap on the Go Live option shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are inside the live stream page, here you can add the title for your live session. You can select a category like singing or chatting, or you can even choose a cover photo. And yeah, you can basically set up everything before you go live. And once you are satisfied with everything, just tap on the go live button. And once you do that, you will be live in the StarMaker app. Now you can interact with the audience, you can plan your song list, and you can even use effects and filters for a dynamic stream. And that's all there is to it. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.